I almost unboxed something again without showing you the unboxing. So I'm going to unbox two things that I've been waiting on. If you remember in my spring bag trends video, I had ordered a keychain from Bottega. Well, it came in like 2 days later and I've been sitting on it this whole time and I've been waiting for a minute to unbox. And if I'm hard to hear, it's because everyone in the house is asleep and I'm trying to be quiet, but I did want to film this unboxing, so it'll be quick. Like I said, I almost started without you. I ordered this from TJ Maxx. Yeah, from TJ Maxx, double wrap, which is a good thing for weather purposes. So right off the bat, I see that I don't have a Bottega box. This is just an unbranded black box, but I do also see that I did get a dust bag for it. And that's so strange because it's so small. Let me see. At least they wrapped it a lot of times in plastic to make sure, like if it was raining or something, it wouldn't get messed up in transit. Oh my gosh, how cute. It actually has the Bottega engraving. This clasp is so heavy. This is like really good quality, but I do think I'll have to be careful to make sure it doesn't scratch up the bags because this is pretty heavy. I'll show you a close-up of it, but I'm just kind of checking it out here. I love Bottega leather. It's so soft. And it smells so good. Yes. Oh, they gave a large dust bag compared to the size of the keychain. But yeah, they have the best. I feel like they definitely have one of the best. Celine's is really good. They're just different materials. This is like a winter fleece. I love the Bottega dust bag. Let me show you a close-up of the keychain charm itself. Can you see the texture of that leather? It's beautiful. And then this is the clasp that I was talking about. So on the side here, can you see how it has Bottega Veneta right there? Isn't it just the cutest? Okay, I love it. Let me show you the dust bag and then we'll move on to the next. So this is the dust bag, which is, you know, their standard for Bottega. I just absolutely love the thickness of it. So that's it together. Okay, love it, love it, love it. And I'm really not gonna store it like this. Like, that's kind of ridiculous. I don't know, maybe I'll just put it in the box. I don't know if I have a smaller dust bag of some sorts, but like the Loewe charm that was probably the size of my palm had a dust bag that was about that same size. Oh, you know what? I think I have a Byredo dust bag that's small that their makeup came in. I do. It's about that size. So I will have to keep that folded, but that's how they shipped it. So anyway, just so that you know, I'm probably not gonna store this unless I would fold it up too. We'll figure that out later. Okay, and next, this one isn't actually like a luxury designer item, but it gave me Bottega vibes. So when I was on the TJ Maxx website, I saw that they had that listed. They didn't have the brand. You know, they're real like sneaky like that on, on their website. They don't have the brand actually listed until you click on the item. So you can't just go on there and just search Bottega. You have to go in there and like search leather keychain or something like that. So when I saw that they had woven leather in the name, I said, well, I wonder what other Bottega items they may have. And I searched for leather woven bag, leather woven shoes. I found quite a bit of bags that had leather woven from other companies, but one caught my eye. They had different colors, but I figured I would get black just to see if it was actually good quality because I always can use a black bag. So I figured I'd show that unboxing here to get my natural impression, because if it's a good one, then maybe we can, you know, have a dupe, have a Bottega dupe, because we love a dupe. And I'll let you know what company this is. It's a lot bigger than I thought. Oh, and make sure that you read the description. They had so many cute bags that do look exactly like Bottega dupes, but they weren't actually leather. And I love my bags to be leather, real leather, 100%. And these were like a pleather. You just won't get good use over time with those. They're gonna wear down. I guess if you're getting like a trendy bag, maybe that doesn't matter so much. Like I said in that trends video, I do go after trends, but trends that I know that I like genuinely, and not just because they're a trend, because then I know over the years, even when they're not a trend or not in style, I will still wear them and still make them, you know, cute in my own style. All right, so now that rant is over. Oh my gosh. This actually does feel really nice. And it's not like the styles that were duping Bottega. This is like its own style. One thing I didn't like even in the picture though was this tassel thing. I know the charms are like coming into style, but I just don't want the tassel thing. I think there's too much going on the bag already with the woven leather and the shape for it to have this. But the leather actually smells really good. So there's a tag on here that says genuine leather, and you can tell on this and on the tassel, one side is like that suede, that raw unfinished leather, and then the other side is the treated side. So this little tag actually says that it's been handcrafted in India by local artisans with natural materials and by hand. So maybe we'll get some of that old quality that the luxury brands had back in the day. So how cute is that? It's giving Jody vibes, but it's definitely its own. It's reminding me of the croissant, the Louis Vuitton croissant that I have, but also the loop bag, and then kind of like the Bottega with the woven leather. So it's like a 3-in-1. Let's see, they stuffed it really good. Oh my gosh, they put a lot of stuffing in this tiny little bag. Well, it's not tiny, but they put a lot of stuffing in this little bag. All right, let me show you a close-up after I get everything out. How cute is that? How cute is that? All right, so this is a close-up of the actual leather. This is the zipper, which is very smooth, not tough at all. And then the inside, which the zipper is like a short opening. If you have large hands like me, it may be an issue, but it looks like my hand can still fit in and out easily. There's 2 pockets on the inside. One is open, and one has a zipper. So I like the options to keep your little things or important things safe with the zipper, and then things you want easy access but still separated, maybe like your phone, you could put in this other pocket on the side. And then there's the main compartment. So I know that's hard to see, but this is so cute. I'll have to style it, put it with like a really cute outfit to give you the full effect, but that is adorable. And the fact that it's real leather, amazing. I only paid $60 for this. I know I'm definitely gonna get that cost per wear down so low. Definitely worth it already, I can tell. I'm excited to wear this. I would wear this anywhere. Date night, running errands, trip to Starbucks, like whatever. Especially for it only costing like 60 bucks. This is so cute. So cute. And I would not wear this together just because it's the woven leather on the woven, but any other solid color, like I think on my brown Loewe bag, this would be so cute. It's like the classic tan Loewe bag. I want to put it on that. It'll be really cute. And I have several other solid black bags. Just anything that doesn't have like a pattern already or any kind of print or a logo. So of course, and you know, the colors have to somewhat coordinate. My red Gucci bag, this would be cute. So I'm excited to wear this too. But I don't know why I'm even more excited to wear this bag that was even cheaper. I just love a good deal, love a good dupe, you know, because it's not like a replica that's trying to copy the bag, but it's like they took inspiration and made their own, and it doesn't have any branding or anything. So I really like this. Let me know what you think. But yeah, I'm definitely seeing 3 bags in one, which is a good thing. Curbs my appetite towards wanting some of those other bags. So anyway, this is it. And I'm probably slowly talking and rambling because I'm so exhausted. So I will say goodnight and see you in my next video. Love you. Bye. Okay, I could just go to sleep right now. Oh my goodness. I gotta take off the covers on the bed just to get in. Oh, I do want to keep this. Oh, let's see. Keep that. Don't give it.